Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Flodesk paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Flodesk paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a new software provider, so you want to be sure to cancel your paid subscription. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your paid subscription, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this little circle icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on plan and billing. All right, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to look for this little gray button called request to cancel a subscription. Okay, from time to time, Flodesk does offer a promotion if you want to stay on board. So it looks like they're offering a free month. You can choose to accept that, or if you want, click right here, I'm sure, cancel my plan. All right, quick second later, you're going to get this confirmation. It says your subscription has been canceled, and then you can choose to let them know why you canceled your Flodesk paid subscription. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your Flodesk paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.